Hey guys, Ronald here. Today I'm going to show you how to fix this flashlight. It's not working. If I press it, it's not lighting up. I don't know if it's a busted light bulb or... Let's open it. Okay. To show you that the battery is working, I'm going to test it. If you have this cheap multimeter, you need to put the dial on the DC volt section under the 20 volt tab. This red probe should go into the smaller circle, which is the positive, while this black probe should go into this part where the bigger circle is located. Okay, let's test the battery. Okay, it has a 3.97 volts or almost 4 volts. So the process I'm going to do is I'm going to check the switch before I decide to replace it. You can pull this rubber tab. I'm going to check what's wrong with this switch. With it, I'll just use this cover of the pentel pen permanent marker and just try to hit it. Okay, it's already out. Okay, I'm going to remove it. As you can see, there is quite rust. It's rusting a little bit. So I think that's what's causing it to not to get connected to the battery. Let's try to remove some rust. Hopefully this is the cause why it's not powering up. It's clean, and also this spring, it's also rusted. I hope this is the issue and not the busted light or busted LED bulb. This part is also rusted. Let's try to clean the base as much as we can. Whatever you can use to scrape off the rust. Just take your time. Okay, let's put it back now. I hope this is really the issue. Why it's not powering up? Why it's not lighting up? So let's try it again. To put this back, all you need to do is press it down again. Okay. I hope this is the real issue. Okay, I think we have fixed it. So before throwing away your flashlight, just try to clean the contact points first. Let's put this rubber cover. Okay, so I hope you like the idea, and I'm glad that it's not the busted bulb that's causing it not to light up. Okay, thank you for watching and see you on our next video. Bye.